Okay, morning guys. Just made a deposit of $30. Let's go do some trade. Okay, just place a trade for the first signal. Let's see how fast. Okay, that's for 32% first profit. Now 30 is now 40. So we're gonna do I'm gonna do some more few trades. I'll be pausing and I'll be right back. Okay, second trade in motion. Second trade in motion. I may have to pause. When I'm done, maybe I'll just review the whole thing. Okay, second trade pull through. So the second trade, 32%. Now I have $49. Started with 30, now 49. Another trade in motion. Okay, I have to. Okay, third trade has pulled through another 32%. So now I have $59. Yes, I have $59. Under 1 minute, I deposited how much? $30. Now I have 100%. Okay, maybe I'll do one more trade, then I'll wrap this up. Okay, this will be my last trade, and I'm gonna wrap this up once this is done. So I'll be right back. Okay, final trade, last trade. This is another 32%, and now I have $75. Okay, anybody can do this, as I'll always say. Even you can do this, but you see, I'm not just entering trade anyhow. There is a required training that allows me to be able to enter at the right time at always. Now, anybody can learn this. You too can be able to do this, but you see, it requires definite practicing and mastering the technique. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Okay.